Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode will be very simple. Alright, so it's been a while since our last video. Today we are going to fix the mirror cap. Right, so we actually got this mirror cap online. Right, links will be in the description down below. From what I see from some of the other YouTubers, it should be quite an easy fix. Okay, it should take I think less than 5 minutes. Right, so without further ado, we're going to start this DIY. So for those of you who are new here, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll have more videos like this. Alright, so without further ado, let's go. Alright, so guys, okay, that's the end of the whole fix. Alright, the first mirror took me a little bit longer because I was figuring out where the tabs are. I mean, you have seen online where the tabs are, but I mean, when you are with your toe and you're feeling it, and when it's your own mirror, you'll be extra careful. Right, so the first one took me a little while longer. The second one was slightly faster. Right, so the tricky part is still the part where the mirror reaches the car, this area. Okay, because there's a clip that you have to slide it under and you have to push it in, and that clip is very low, so it's you will keep doing this. Alright, and in the end it doesn't clip in that well. Okay, so both mine are clipped in very well now. It looks very nice. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. If you like this, please remember to hit the like button, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. So stay safe, stay healthy. Alright, happy modding your car. Bye.